Okay, now everybody please show your discipline. Now real class begins and I have already started recording. So each and every activity that you show will be recorded. So today we are going to study about the first topic, that is concept of health, population, and environment education. Since it is just very simple to understand comparatively. Okay, so last time I discussed the same topic with class 10 also, and then similar topic that I would like to just share with you all, my dear children. Any question you can raise the hand later. Okay, but now just one way, just listen very carefully. Before that, I would like to just share one joke related to what, let's say, health. Since our topic is about our health, so during this lockdown, we must be very much careful ourselves. We should not go outside and then just talk to our friends, meeting directly outside, no, visiting unnecessarily. So what is to be done then? We need to stay at home. We need to just save time. We need to apply different kinds of, let's say, active, what is called, methods for keeping us, what is called healthy and all, etc. Practicing good lifestyle. So one day, what happened? A joke. Then after I will begin the class. After a checkup, a doctor asked his patient, so what did he say? He said, is there anything you would like to discuss after, let's say checkup was over? Then he wanted to ask to one matured person. Okay. And that matured person, who had large number of members in the family, had no idea. So wanted to, had no idea about to the, let's say vasectomy, but just wanted to have the vasectomy. And he said, well, I was thinking about getting a vasectomy, doctor. Vasectomy means, in class 9, you will be learning, all right? Even in class 8 also, they are the permanent method of, let's say, what is called, they are the, let's say, method of population control, right? Vasectomy for the male and then mini-lap for the female. After that, the doctor just got surprised and asked how he took the decision. That's the big decision. Have you talked it over with your family? Here, family means, doctor wants to say, family means who? Family means here, he wants to say wife or husband. Okay, family means. So he wanted to know whether he talked or not with his wife. Yes, and then he easily replied like this: yes, doctor, we took a vote at our home and they are in favor of it 15-2. It shows the number of member in the family was big, right? So it was obviously necessary to take the what, practice the what, vasectomy service. So in the same way, now what happens is that if we do not have idea about health, population, and environment, of course we will be suffered from different kinds of other problems, my dear. Okay, so first of all, we need to have the clear concept of health, population, and environment. Everybody knows what health, population, environment just in word, but exactly what they are, we need to have clear concept. Sometimes you are asked very short type of question like define health, define population, define environment, or sometimes define health education, population education, and environment education, my dear children. That's why we need to have clear concept individually. All these three disciplines are interconnected, but they are different. They are different, but interconnected. Okay, interconnected. This is very much important. Always, whenever you study, even in class 9 or class 10, wherever you study in the world, okay, going to the big university later also, you need to have this concept that there are three disciplines which are interconnected. One is not possible to study completely in the absence of another. Okay, we will learn about this also. But first, let's see this. Okay, what I show you. It shows that our health, we must be up to date. And it shows that population, which is increasing every day. But nowadays, due to Corona, population is decreasing also. At the same time, the number of people is increasing since they are taking birth also. And third one is what? Can you guess? Environment. There are various kinds of environment, my dear. These three are different, let's say, disciplines, but they are interconnected each other. Let's have the concept of the first. What is health then? In general, we say the state of being free from illness or injury. Hello, how are you? Are you fine all? Everybody says yes. If you are okay, you say yes. That yesness is your health. That means you have no any problem. You have no headache, no stomach ache. That is exactly state of your health. Are you getting me? If you have injury, you got accident while going somewhere else, okay, or you got caught while chopping something. Nowadays, you walk at the kitchen. Yes or no? So if you have injury, then in such condition, right, you cannot be called healthy because you are experiencing what? You are experiencing. Yes. Sital, any problem? Sital?
No, sir.
And you are raising the hand. Why, dear? Okay, are you all getting the ideas? Yes. Now, okay, we have limited time. That's why. So let's utilize this time. Health is the state of being free from any kind of illness or injury. I'm asking this question. Okay, at the end, how many of you will be just answering me correctly by understanding, paying attention, because recording is going on there. Okay, the state of being free from injury or illness, that is exactly health. WHO also has defined, health is the state of complete physical, mental, social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. These all, let's say, that is different. Okay, but let's not run after the definition. Let's try to understand the concept here. If you have a state, okay, or your condition of your whole body is, let's say, without injury or without illness, that is good state of health. But if you have, let's say, this problem, then you are unhealthy state of your body. Okay, so what we can say here is that at the same time, we need to know what health education is also, because to get the concept, we need education. So what is health education then? In short, I'm telling you, education that promotes an understanding of how to maintain our personal health. That is exactly education in short. You can define the education program or the education system. Okay, it is a kind of education program, whatever you say, that helps to promote an understanding of, let's say, understanding of maintaining our personal health, how to maintain our health. Okay, if we understand the way we maintain our health, that if we get is an awareness education, awareing education, that is health education, my dear. Do you know how to take care of your health? Do you know what to eat? Do you know what not to eat? And then what to do, what not to do? Of course, everybody knows. Yes, that's why this education that you get is exactly health education. Similarly, now second one is what? What do you mean a population then? In short, all the inhabitants of a particular place. Hello, try to understand the word here, inhabitants. Inhabitants of, let's say Kirtipur means what? We all people who have been living. Are you getting me? Please do not move your camera more, okay, Mr. Khadgi? See, what happens is that generally population is the number of people living in a particular place. We define like this, okay? But what we understand in general, okay, all the inhabitants of a particular place. Let it be that is on the land, human being. Let it be the plants in a forest, Let it be in the, let's say, let it be the something living in the water. That is also the place, particular place. That is also population. Yeah, population does not mean only the people, my dear. In general, population means that all inhabitants of a particular place. That may be the people, that may be the animal, that may be the birds, or any other things. Okay, but now we are talking about only that population which is, exactly is related to we all human beings only. So you see here, my dear, this is what population. Population means the total number of people. Okay, we are talking about the inhabitants, okay, of a particular place in a certain time. That is population. And what is education then? If we get some ideas about that population, a particular place, that idea we get from a kind of program that is like, going to school, getting idea, acquiring ideas and all. Population education is educational program that makes a family, society, first that begins from family, and then society, nation, and the whole world to realize, especially what, the status of the population, which helps to develop a sense of rational and then what? Responsible attitude and behavior towards it. The education program that makes all people, right, living in the family, society as a whole, nation and the world, and making them realize the status, okay, that helps to develop a sense of rational and responsible attitude towards the same behavior. Okay, that is exactly what, population education. Even UNESCO also has defined. Sometimes you are asked, okay, you are asked, how you are asked, define population education according to UNESCO, right? In this way, you know, this definition has been exactly, taken or, decided by taking one or by conducting one long conference among the different leaders of the educationists of the different countries. UNESCO has defined this one. So based on that, we understand something, that kind of program that makes people, society, nation, and the whole world realize the status of population. Population is how the population is going on, right? And then having the sense of rational and responsible attitude and behavior towards this population exactly is population education. Now comes environment. What do you mean by environment? What kind of environment do you have at present? Calm environment. No children are there behind talking to you or just disturbing you. Okay, what kind of environment nowadays as a whole in the world? Oh my God, very pandemic. Yes, epidemic has been attacking a kind of environment. Hello, what kind of environment is there? Political environment there in your country, socio-economic environment. Oh my God, what kind of, let's say, natural environment there? Sir, pollution everywhere. Now in Kathmandu, no pollution because of lockdown. See, I mean, environment means what, the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates. Okay, we all, not only human being, but also all the things, okay, surviving here, right? Exactly. In a particular condition, in the surrounding, and they are living for their life and for others, for their existence, and they are operating themselves systematically within that surrounding or condition. That is exactly environment. So what we say, the environment is the surrounding in which we live. In other words, we have been living now in our room, that is also a kind of environment. If you go outside, another kind of environment. If you go to forest, another kind of environment. If you go to sea, another kind of environment. If you go under the sea, another kind of environment. If you go to jail, next kind of environment. If you go to leader's home, that is called, what is called, parliament place, there is another kind of environment. So environment is surrounding or condition in which a person or we human being or any animal or plants live and operate or exist. That is environment. So what is education then? Now everybody can guess what education means. Okay. Environment education is the process of recognizing the what values and clarifying the concept to develop what, skill or skill, attitude, which are necessary to understand and appreciate the interrelationship among who? Human beings, their culture, their tradition, okay, etc. Remember. So the education that helps. We learn population education is the what, population education is the program that makes a family, society, nation to realize the status of population. And then the what develops sense of rational and responsible attitude and behavior towards it. Similarly, here also we can define or we can understand environment education is also the education program or a kind of process through which we can get education, right? By recognizing the values and clarifying the concept to develop the skill, attitude, our behavior, okay? Yes, and whatever we need is our necessary things, okay? Right? And how the interaction or interrelationship between all these human beings and other living organisms, our culture, tradition, etc. This is exactly environment education. Environment education helps you to understand what kind of environment you have been living in right now. Environment education makes you understand, okay, makes you understand how to get free from this coronavirus, how to fight against this virus. Education is that. Those people who have environment education, they know how to adjust in different kind of conditions, or different kinds of places, or different kinds of situations. Okay, these are all general concept of the word health, population, environment, plus health, population, environment, and education. Okay. Now I would like to draw your attention towards the next, my dear. So okay, everybody knows that health is dynamic. Yes, you also can say health is changeable. Yes or no, my dear? Is health changeable or not? Everybody, are you all remain same forever? Do you all remain same forever?
No,
Sorry,
sir.
because you keep on changing. The health condition keeps on changing. Am I right or not? Your health condition keeps on changing or not, my dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Today you are healthy.
Yes.
Tomorrow you may not be healthy. Am I right or not? Today you are healthy.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you may not. Am I right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
It happens or not? Why? Tell me. What is the reason behind it, my dear? What is the reason behind it? Just tell me. Anyone? Anyone who can say? Grishma, would you mind telling why your health does not remain constant? Why your health does not remain constant, Grishma? Hello? Grishma? Are you listening to me, Grishma? Grishma is not listening to me. Grishma? Hello, Grishma. Where is she? Can you speak, please?
Yes, sir.
So why doesn't your health remain constant?
Because of the now various, because of our living environment too, and now because of our daily habits.
Okay. You mean there are different type of aspects that affect, that influence our health. That's why it doesn't remain constant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We become
Okay.
sick.
Yeah. Sometimes we fall sick. Sometimes no. Okay. We get accident, or we suffer from different all the diseases. So in such case, what happens? Our health does not remain constant. Yes or no? Samrita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Will you tell me what may be some of the factors that determine our health and that prove that our health is dynamic in nature? Can you? Samrit, darling.
Healthy diet.
Uh-huh.
Healthy diet.
Okay. And
Exercise.
very good. And what may be?
Yoga.
All right. Anyway, there are different kinds of factors, right? Thank you very much for your participation. There are different factors that affect our health. Okay. So I'm going to talk about some of the, let's say, factors which generally, determine, okay, the health is the dynamic in nature. Okay. So let me mute all for a few minutes and then just again draw your attention towards this topic, my dear. So are you looking at this? Are you finding on the display? Are you finding on the display, dear?
Yes, sir.
What did you see?
Sir.
What did you see?
Blank.
Okay.
Blank page.
Now what do you see?
How is health dynamic?
Very good. Health itself is dynamic in nature. That means does not remain constant. Some of you answered that your answer was appreciable. Okay. You see, exactly this health is dynamic. First of all, to understand what dynamic means here. As a noun, a force that stimulates change or progress within a system or process. That persists. That, hello, please, are you all with me? So dynamic means, the word dynamic means a kind of force, okay, that stimulates what? Change or progress within a system or process. Something that exactly helps to bring change. Okay, that is dynamic. So health is dynamic. Why? Because something like environmental thing, is Samrita was saying, like our yoga lifestyle. Yes, Grishma also was telling. You know, all these are the factors that stimulate change. The food that you eat brings change. What kind of food you eat, that determines your health. If you eat food, good food, your health is good, condition is good. If you eat dirty food, now imagine what happens. Okay. Or if you think that I'm hero, no corona touches me. Yes, I fight against corona. I am very much energetic or strong. You bring change in your concept and go outside, roam everywhere, hug each other. Yes, then that factor stimulates change or exactly progress in your health, in your body. Yes or no? That is exactly dynamic. So here, I would like to share, there are certain factors that continuously influence the health of a person. These are the all factors that we discussed recently. That continuously influence the health of the person. Isn't it? The way you eat, the way you talk to people, the way you live your life, the way you do your exercise. Okay? Yes? You see, all these factors that continuously influence the health of the person, that's why your health is what? Dynamic. If you never get checked up, then what happens? Going to doctor? Your health is determined accordingly. Another, the more all these factors are in favor of you all or individual, the more you or he or she goes closer to the fullest sense of health. If we maintain our health, yes, by doing proper exercise, yes, taking balanced diet, having enough sleep, thinking positively, getting me? Yes, and getting checked up regularly, all right, and bringing positive change in our behavior during this corona time. If we do not control ourselves from going outside and meeting so many people and then just hanging out unnecessarily, then our health is affected very badly. Are you getting me? But if we keep all these factors, if these all factors are in our favor, then we can live the fullest sense of health. We will be free from all kind of problems. Yes or no? In order to have good health, we should keep these conditions in our favor. All right, food in our favor, sleep in our favor, exercise in our favor, yes, taking rest in our favor, yes, environment where we live in our favor, yes, okay, our surrounding clean, yes, in our favor. All these things, in order to have good health, we should keep all these things in our favor, my dear children. That's why a health of a person depends on various factors, which may be physical, yes, mental, socio-cultural, that we practice, our tradition, yes, culture, etc. Yes or no? Our economic factor, and even the political system. See, corona would not attack us, in this, let's say, largest number at present in the context of Nepal country. If political system was a bit strong and then leaders had locked down earlier. Yes or no? Still, many people from India country are, just entering our Nepal country, even at night also, on foot, crossing the border. That is the weakness of political system, my dear. India is attacking us at the same time. See, people, they are gathering in the name of, let's say, raising the voice. That is also political movement. So this kind of political or economic, socio-cultural, mental, psychological, physical, all these factors that determines our health, my dear. Okay, so health of a person depends on these various factors, which may be physical also, mental, psychological, socio-cultural, economic, political, etc. Don't forget about this. Are you all getting the idea? If so, now what we can say at last, thus health is a dynamic state of well-being characterized by what? These all what factors like what physical factor, mental factor, social potential, which satisfies the demand of a life commensurate with age, culture, personality, okay, personal responsibility, etc. But one word that you found difficult, I think, commensurate means what? Commensurate. Commensurate means what? Corresponding in size of degree in proportion. Okay, corresponding in size or degree in proportion. With what here? The demand of a life corresponding in, let's say, with the age, with culture, with the personal responsibility. How responsible you are, for yourself. That is your personal responsibility. Do you keep yourself clean? Do you keep yourself free from corona? Do you keep yourself, healthy or not? That is your personal responsibility, my dear. So it commensurate with this responsibility also, culture also, right? And tradition, your age also. Old people, they have their own kind of health status and all. So now, I would like to draw your attention. This is the final thing for you. Factors that continuously influence the health of the person, my dear children. Your health is affected or influenced by the what? These factors continuously. Now, try to guess what made the first. Can you say what it is? Anyone? Anyone? What is this? What is this?
Drug abuse.
Anybody
Smoking
try?
and alcoholism.
Smoking and
Very good.
drinking.
Smoking and drinking. This is one of the good habits, yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, yes. That means now this factor continuously influence your health. If you just see in your society also, right? The people, they practice smoking, they practice alcohol, yes or no? That affects your health or not, my dear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, those who drink, those who practice this, they are free from problem. Yes, mentally, physically, they are okay. Yes or no? But those who are in a habit of drinking and smoking, then now their health is determined accordingly. That's why if you want to earn full sense of your health, okay, then you need to avoid these practices. Second thing, can you guess what it is?
Population.
Very good. Public relation or what? Public relation, another personal relationship. Okay, your your relationship with the people, your relationship with your all family members. Let's talk about the same family member. Your father, mother, all they are okay. But now see, if the environment is not okay, that is created by you or any one member in the family, you are sitting around the dining table, varieties of food things are there, right? And then somebody says, okay, using very bad word, eat your stool. Providing you food, eat your stool, then will you be happy? Yes, it is a stool. Will you be happy with this? Of course. That's why if you have a kind of good personal relationship among the family members or outside also in the public, then you become confident. Yes, I am loved by everyone. I am cared by everyone. I am important for all of them. They are also important for me. They have respect. Yes or no? Yes, such kind of feeling will develop in you. That keeps you happy. And when you remain happy, maintaining the personal relationship, public relationship, then your health is determined accordingly, my dear children. This is very much important. And can you guess what is the third one? What does it mean? What does it mean? Can you guess? What is it? Can you guess, my dear?
Playing.
Another factor that continuously influences the health of a person, that is the what? Facility of, let's say, leisure time. Weekend, weekend at the end of the week. On holiday,
Yes, sir.
you go somewhere else and then you play swimming, you just hang with your friends, you involve in concert or the singing, dancing, etc. Yes, swimming and all, etc. These play vital role. The more such facility you get, the more you enjoy, the happier you become. Yes, that determines your health. More personal relationship, and then what public relationship also can be maintained. A kind of let's say sense of personal relationship development also, or what is called public relationship development also is possible through this kind of leisure facilities. Okay, so this is another factor. But some of they see gender. The next one is what? Gender. Okay, one side male, another side female. Gender means what here? Hello, sex. Yes or no? Male, female. So how it affects, how it
Yes,
influences
sir.
continuously to your health then? Can you guess? Anybody? Samrita can say, I think. Or Rohan can say. Or Saugat. How this age or how this gender also is one of the continuous factor that influence the health. Simple example, my dear. Okay, don't mind. Simple example. This is all a kind of cultural and psychological factor also in the society or the family. Okay, if male are given more important and females are less, there is a problem. Am I right or not? Psychologically also they are affected. Females are still some of the backward society, females are sent to low quality schools for their education, and males are or sons are sent to those qualitative institutions, right? Hoping to get some, let's say, what is called, support when they get older. Look at them. But females, they think that females are weak, females are to go somewhere, not to look after us, look after parents and all this. This kind of psychological, cultural, socio-cultural practices in our family or in our society also influence continuously to our health. Are you getting me? Especially the females, what they feel, oh my God, I am dominated, I am female, they say. Sometimes they give more priority to the female. Mr. Saugat, are you listening to me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You are under the record. Those who have just avoided your face also are under record. So later I will be just studying this one. You know, we have been doing hard labor from our side, and you are getting some ideas, and you are forgetting the at least thread of the coronavirus while talking to me. And then now you are getting very good ideas about the concept of these factors which continuously influence our health. This is a good thing. It is not for your examination only. It is for your life, my dear. I am giving importance on the factors that I share with you helps you to live your good life, not for just passing the examination. Passing the examination is not important. So that's why pay attention, my dear. Everyone of you, not only Mr. Saugat. Okay. So now next important point is that, can you guess here? Environment, as we discussed already, what kind of environment that we have been living in, that also play a vital role. So right now we are talking about the environment, and somebody was just talking with the family members there and disturbing us. This also is a clear example, live example of this picture. That is also one of the factors that continuously influence our health. When we get irritated, no, we say, yeah, I'm just taking online classes. Don't disturb me if somebody says. Now there's a kind of what? Chemical development, production in your mind, in your body, that influences your health. Oh, but if you remain quiet, if I tell joke, then a kind of environment. Yes, if you love each other in the family, a kind of environment. Happiness is created. That determines your health. Okay. Next one important thing is that, can you guess what it is? What it is? Can you guess what it is? What it is? Disease. Getting me? Disease also continuously influence our health. Nowadays, corona has been influencing many people. They have been dying of corona. Yes or no, right? Getting me? So no. See, if you are disease, you are suffering from diarrhea, headache, or chronic or acute disease, then your health is affected. This is very important. This is very easy for you to understand. Yes. Now, next point that I would like to share with you, which is another important factor that continuously influence the health of the person, is what? Hello, what is this? What is this?
Economic status.
Very good, economic status. Thank you very much. You are taking part very actively. Yes. See, he is sitting nicely on the pile of money using the laptop nicely, facilitated way. It also shows that if we have strong economic condition, okay, we can fulfill our all kind of needs. Let it be according to Maslow, what he has said is that basic needs or additional needs. If we fulfill these all, or if we get all these kind of needs fulfilled, we become healthy, we become happy. Our health is affected. But at the same time, if some people are dying of hunger nowadays, sleeping in the road, on the road and all that, see the condition, quite difficult. Even in the condition Nepal country at present, now government has been applying another kind of rule. What is that? If you want to get a treatment or you want to get checked up for corona, yes or no? Identify corona, you have to pay 15,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. See how problematic it is. In other developed country, government provides them free of cost. Very nicely, but here we have to pay. So poor people in most of the people in Nepal country are poor, and what they do, they rather eat a lot of things with the same money, 10,000 rupees, and die, ready to die, but they are not going to get their health checked up. Why? That is because of what? Poor health, economic condition. That's why, my dear children, so this is another factor. Now, what can you guess what another means? Anybody?
Quality of education, I think.
Very good. Quality of education. Yes, Purnima Thapa sisters. Quality of education, or let's say level of education. What I said? Qualitative level of education. How qualitative education you get, that also determines your health. If you get qualitative education and then you are high class, or you have got high education, then you understand easily how to maintain your health. What are the factors that continuously influence the health? Which one is to be eaten? Which one is not to be eaten? Where to go? Where not to go? You understand. But some people, they believe in taking prasad, although it is stale, kept for a long time. Yes, in front of the statues in the somewhere else, in the name of prasad, still the people they live. That is a lack of education also, my dear. If they are educated, they know that, this is stale. Although that is prasad, that is still damaged. If we take it, then we may suffer from disease or diarrhea and all, etc. Education level plays vital role to maintain the health, my dear children. Okay. Yes, if you are highly educated or qualitatively educated, then you distinguish good and bad. Remember, okay? What happened to you, Samrita? Your head is aching, no? Is your head aching, Samrita?
No, sir.
Maybe yesterday you offered one kukurika to Devi, that's why you are okay. It's a kind of belief. Just example, okay, my dear. And some people, they suffer from, they get their hand caught. Yes, they get accident, injury. And then if it swells, then what they think? Go offer. They go to the witch doctor, and then they do this and that. And they follow. They don't go to the doctor, and getting treatment. Rather, they believe in such kind of, let's say, practices, cultural practices in all sectors. That is lack of education, exactly. The educated people, they do not practice such thing. If they practice, also they practice by just by observing, by checking which one is good, which one is bad. Education level plays vital role. Next one is that what is this? What does it mean? Occupation that you have. What kind of occupation you have? Your parents have. That also determines. If your parents are involved in, let's say, educational activities, then of course they are educated and they know what is good, what is bad. That also helps to maintain your health. What is quality food? What kind of exercises are good for you to keep yourself healthy and all, etc. But some people, they are not educated. They are low. Although I respect all kind of, let's say, services, all kind of occupation, equally important. But this level of what occupation also plays, type of occupation also plays vital. Driver, for example, some of your parents are driver, but if they are educated driver, they live their own kind of life. If they are, driver does not mean that all the drivers are not uneducated. We can, some of the educated people are also driver. If they are educated, driver, in driving, they, just keep they keep relationship with other people also similarly. If they're uneducated in this profession, what happens? They keep relationship with random people, public. That also affects our health. If you are doctor, of course, your health is different. If you are teacher, your health is different, or your parents, your health is different because of that. I am teaching you right now, but in place of me, if somebody is there who is to clean or collect the wastages, yes, that occupation plays vital role, my dear. I'm safer than those people who have recently been, let's say, attacked by the corona, infected by the corona in Kirtipur also, those who are cleaning. We have to respect them. Yes, but lack of idea, lack of the practice to get rid from this corona or be prevented from corona. That's why they suffer. If they had education, and that the let's say the occupation that I have been adopting, that I have been just let's say involved in, and the occupation the driver or farmer or somebody else involved in, different, that determines the health, my dear children. Next one is, of course, balanced diet, food. In one sentence, what we can say, your health is what you eat. If you eat good things, good. If you eat dirty things, your health is determined accordingly. Next one is what, the facilities, services that we get. Even in a small, if we suffer from, let's say, diarrhea also, if we do not get treatment in time, yes, going to hospital, no hospital around there. Although we go to hospital, no doctor, no medicine, then we are affected accordingly, and our health is determined. Next one is, and next one is what, next one is, okay, our culture, tradition, religion, that also affects, as I already explained, okay, down. Next one is what, governmental policy, my dear. Okay, now see the governmental policy. We don't have to just abuse, or we don't have to scold at, we don't have to blame government, but somehow government is also responsible here. You see, at the time of corona or this lockdown, we need to get free treatment or not. See the government policy. We are supposed to, we are obliged to pay 10,000 rupees to get treatment. This is so sad. This is so humorous. That is government. Other side, other countries in developed countries especially, the government is responsible to provide the health services and facilities free of cost. One family, one doctor. Nowadays, one person, one doctor. See, the concept is developing. So this is policy plan made by the government that also plays vital role to determine the health of the people. At present, now see, we are suffering from coronavirus. We are very much frightened. I don't know what happens in the days to come. Although I'm talking right now, I may be infected, you may be infected. This is all lack of proper, planning of the government. Okay, policies, program of the government. This also plays vital role, my dear. If government provides, if government, keeps this health of the human being population, okay, in the first priority, then health is affected accordingly. If it is not given, only what is called nowadays bribe, taking bribe. They give importance on taking bribe. Most of they are like that. Government system is very bad. Unstable government at present. One party comes, and within 3 years or months, another what happens? Another, what is called? With the Sambat, raise the hand. Why Sambat? Any problem? Please, when necessary, raise the hand. Sambat, any question? No, then please do not draw the attention, my dear. Now, another you can understand, like Samrita was telling, exercise. Yes or no? Yoga, physical fitness. That also plays vital role. If you do not do exercise regularly, then your health is affected. But if you do regularly, your health is affected. Okay, that's why the health is the state of various background conditions which can enable the achievement of the personal potential. Thus, the state of the person's health is equivalent to the state of these conditions. The fullest sense of health. Did you get the idea, everybody? Today's last. You got the idea? Every one of you?
Yes, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Does anyone have any
Sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
Does anyone have any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, did you experience the first class of HP?
Yes. Yes,
Sure.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you feel?
Good.
Now, if you have any question, you can ask me right now for a few minutes. Okay. Please, do you have any question? Tofal Kanal. Any question, please? No?
No, sir.
Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
And ready to answer the question that I give you on app?
Yes, sir.
I will be just, uploading the question on app. Please check today. Okay, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, what class do you have?
After
Today, according to routine?
Quiz.
Yes, quiz.
Quiz.
Be ready for quiz. Okay,
Quiz.
everyone?
And entertainment.
Yeah.
Quiz and entertainment.
Okay, quiz and
Quiz and
entertainment.
entertainment.
Yes. Last time you, did you take part last time or not? No, no. First time today?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the quiz.
First time, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir.
Enjoy the day. Do your work.
Thank you, sir.
Submit in time.
Thank
Be
you, sir.
disciplined. Okay.
Bye bye, sir. Yes,
Love you
sir.
very much.
Sir.
Stay safe, sir.
Bye-bye.
Okay.